This conference will now be recorded.
And yes, this is our last session recording, which we had done on Wednesday. Thursday, due to a technical issue, we have not done. And Friday, as I see nobody available, I made the session skip. So, on last session, Wednesday, I was showing you all the customizing steps of material master, and we were supposed to create a material followed by, we will see now. So, material type, and yeah, till material type I made. Now we need to see the material group. I had intentionally not created the material group in our last session, so that I want to show the connectivity of material group with division that you will be seeing in the material creation window, which you will be seeing now, right? So go back to the img screen, and first create a material group. Material group tells you about the key purpose of the subcategory make within the division. Like we made Zara accessories, Zara clothing. If I take, for example, clothing, we have menswear, we have women's wear, we have kids wear, they have become the subcategory. So that we are going to declare by material group now, and that will connect with the division in the material creation window. Right. So allow me a minute, it is processing. And one update, these 1 2 days you will see some inconvenience in the server because of the server license update moving to the next year 2025. So it creates some inconvenience if it is not, I mean, allowing you to access, or if it is down. So don't worry on that. Keep trying after some time. Even I see how it was working file this till this afternoon. Let's see. So just wait, everybody. Let me try to disconnect and connect back. Please wait, everybody. Okay. So here, logistics general, material master, basic settings, define, maintain company code for material management, material type we made. Till here we made. Now, settings for key fields, define material group. Here, you need to come up with the make of the group. Define material group, new entries. say here Zara hyphen CL hyphen K, that is Zara clothing kits. Say ZARA hyphen CL hyphen M, Zara clothing men's. Like this, how many you want you can make. Women's. So kids, men's and women's, three subcategories I made here, right? Save it. Now here, continue and back, refresh. Now we made all the customizing steps, right? We made the key steps of accounting, that is global settings, posting periods. We have initiated the key steps of material master, that is 7 steps. Now the creation of material. So logistics, sales and distribution, master data, products, material. Then we have other material mm01, mm02, mm03, create, change, display. Now we made all the needed customizing areas customized. If not customized, then system will not allow you to step into the material creation. It simply throw material, company code is not set for material management. So before system throw some errors, needed other module areas we have customized. Now creation. Now here every material belongs to one industry sector. So we made our own industry sector by name Zara. So by selecting the industry sector, by selecting the industry sector, it is noted in the system material belong to which domain. Material type, what kind of material you are creating. Here you have so many material types. So our materials type what we made by name Zara. So by selecting our own industry sector, your material identified belong to which industry. By selecting our own material type, the material what you are creating belong to which stage, because you see a material in many stages, as a raw material, as a semi finished. So we made a finished product, our material type in the previous session. So I'm selecting my made material type. So by selecting my made material type, what all the views to presented, it is been presented. Because when customizing this material type, we have maintained all the views active, that is user departments, we have maintained all active. You will see those user departments as the views over here, right? So click on select views now. So the moment when you click on select views, it shows the index. Please wait. Okay, now the moment when you click on select views here, it starts showing all the views. Now in this, basic data 1, basic data 2, sales org 1, sales org 2, sales general plan. So basic data 1, basic data 2 speaks about very general details about a product. Sales organization 1, sales organization 2 consists of sales oriented details. Sales general slash plan, the common details of a material which will source the information to sales domain and to the production domain. And the text, sales text, the text which you want to tag to your product. MRP1, material requirement plan, that is connecting the stock of the inventory. MRP2, general plan data storage 1, that is connecting the stock details of the inventory. General plan data storage 2, that is connecting the stock details of the inventory again. Warehouse 1, warehouse 2, that is connecting the stock details of the warehouse. Accounting 1, accounting 2, that is product valuation purpose. Costing 1, costing 2, that is product profitable analysis purpose. So if we count, 16 views are selected. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So these 16 views are not completely SD oriented. A material, when need to be executed from SD, means it got to be connected to finance, it got to connected to production, it got to connected to inventory, it got to connected to the warehouse. Then only you can see one full end-to-end execution of a material. That is make, maintain, external maintenance, sell and banking. So to promote a product through sales module, to sales department, it need to have an interaction with all these modules, then only it will be profitable. All right, done. So always no need to select all the 16 views. So just make them default every time. Make them default here. So whenever you click on this select views, you see all the 16 views selected default. Right. Now all these 16 views got the information among various modules. So please watch me carefully. After you select the 16 views, click on organization levels. Then you get a screen here. Now here, if you notice, the identification of material I have not given anything. So there are two things. Name of a Just a minute. Name of a material can be customized. Also, system default number can be picked up. So system default, see, normally system will allot a material reference number. That's the old method. But the latest is you can customize the name. That's the reason you all remember in the previous session when I was customizing the material type, external number assignment, we put a check mark and I was highlighting it and I was telling you'll see the impact of this in the front end. So here I can go with customize name. How it works, we'll see now. So I'm not given anything here. Okay, fine. So first give your plant. What is a plant? ZAR P storage location. You don't remember, click on the drop down. It will start showing all. From there you can find, go to Z alphabet and here you can see ZA. So ZAR1, ZAR2, ZAR3 we made. Okay, like this you can pick. Or ZAR I give, it picks up distribution channel Z. So we made Zara direct, offline, online. I'll take first one. So how to connect others? That is what is the extension concept you will see in the coming days. All right. Done. So here, just give me 1 minute, please. Okay. So first we'll see, we'll pick one and we'll connect others. So warehouse here. What is our made warehouse? ZAW. Okay, so some of the mic got, I see the mic got mute automatically. Let me come back again. So mm01, I go back again. So how system gives a default number, you understood. If it without giving anything directly go into the screen, it gives a number randomly which has been picked up by the database. Our customized name, I give, for example, Zara hyphen CL hyphen M hyphen 100. So Zara, the company name, CL, that is clothing, M represents menswear, and 100 is the product code. Select views, all the 16 views we selected. Organization levels, give you a plant, ZARP, give the storage location, ZAR1, give the sales organization, ZARS, distribution channel, ZD, and the warehouse. Done. Choose. I say continue here. Then you can see your given name. So without giving anything, if you leave blank, system will pick a number randomly from the database. If you give a number, if you give an identity, that's how it accepts. Again, the length matters. It will not accept the big one. Limitation is there. If the name it says entered character is beyond, then you should make it short. Right. And here you can see the views which have been selected, they are been highlighted with the radio button. And the views which are not selected, they are not highlighted. And if you click on this pointer, you can see all the views which are there in the database. So among all these views, we have selected 1 to 16 views. Now every view got some or other fields relevant to our module, relevant to other modules. So what fields I am maintaining, you need to maintain only those fields, not all. Right? So I repeat again, what fields I maintain among the 16 views, you need to maintain only them. So what to be maintained, I'll explain detailedly in our coming session, because 16 views I cannot explain now. By the time I do, it will be 192 views only done. So I shown you how to get into the material creation screen, and at a stretch I'll be explaining all the 16 views in the coming session, so that you will be understanding how to create a material. And I'll also show the concept of material extension. I'll also show the copy creation of material, that is, when you have a material with reference to existing, how to create a new material. So that is our focus for this week. And please mark tomorrow and day after tomorrow no session. 31st December, 1st Jan, no session. Please plan yourself accordingly. And the next session we're going to meet on 2nd Jan. All right. So please make a note on this and plan your practice and your maybe a vacation or anything accordingly. All right. So wish you all a very happy new year in advance, and I see you all in our next session, that is on 2nd Jan. Till then, keep working on till date and do join with this link on 2nd Jan.